proper blank sheet, your working element.
So, sir, these are the all constituents of a thyloricectoscope. I have arranged the same in the step of the order you will be using it during your procedure. Sir, first is the blunt and the sharp obturator with their sheath. This sheath will give the part to the resectoscopy sheath. This is the blunt one. You can remove all. This is the sharp one. Okay. So you have two obturators, but the insertion sheath is only one. Okay. So once the insertion sheath is inside, then the resectoscope. The resectoscope comprises of a sheath. This is size 11 fringe in diameter, and this is the working element, the resectoscope. The technique to attach this is always match the 0 written over on the sheath to the 0 written over on the working element. And you have to match the 0, both the zeros in the same line. Just connect them and rotate the lock clockwise quarter rotation, and this will be locked. Okay, so this is the sheath, the resectoscopy sheath. This is the working element. This is the insertion sheath or outer sheath through which the resectoscopy sheath will go inside the your area of interest. Okay, then comes the telescope. This is the endoscope, thyloricectoscope. This is a 0-degree telescope. The eyepiece to connect the camera head, the light cable adapter to connect the light cable, the shaft of the telescope. Same technique to attach the scope onto the working element. Just match the line over here on the working element onto the 0 of the scope. All in the same line, 0 and press it so that there is no gap, and then rotate this knob clockwise quarter. So this is the
इसमें भी quarter rotation, इसमें भी quarter rotation.
Yeah. Then this is the point to connect the cautery cable. It works on monopolar current.
Okay, fine.
So monopolar cutting and coagulation. One thing we have left out, we first have to connect the electrode also. So here are the electrodes. There are two electrodes, they both are of the same kind. We call them as a cutting loop. So because they are all in the shape of loop. Okay. So how we have to connect this? We have to remove the cable first. Actually the electrode has to be connected before going into the sheath. This electrode will go like this. This is the hole where the electrode end will be locked. So always keep electrode like this over the scope. It will slide over the scope. It will go through the working element and go into the this and click sound. So I'll suggest first remove this. We should first connect the electrode. Okay. You see it doesn't comes out. Okay. So then insert the scope. You have to be very gentle with this scope. Never hold the scope from the shaft from here. Always hold the scope from the back, from the eyepiece, because it is 1.9 and then it comes out to be 2.1. This is a graduated scope. You can feel over here the diameter changes from 1.9 to 2.1. So we'll insert the scope. See that the scope goes smoothly through the loop. Okay. And then, so this is the resectoscope ring. Then connect the sheath. Check like this. We have the cable over here. This will go into the cautery monopolar output. The TUR outputs are underwater cutting. Here light cable will be connected here and the camera. Will be connected over here like it was connected in the laparoscope, and same camera, same mechanism. Rotate the camera head coupler clockwise, fit in the eyepiece, then release. And this is the straight orientation. Okay, straight.
All in one line. This and this in one line.
Okay.
This is wrong.
Yeah. तो पावर से पीछे से ना मैंने इंडिकेटर को दे दिया. Sir, this is the insulation of the sheet.
Mm-hmm.
Always ensure before using that there is no cut on the sheet,
Okay.
because if there will be a cut, there is
Sure.
a chance of current leakage and burn.
This will go as such in the
Sir, it
sheet
will
के
go
साथ
through.
जाएगी।
It will go through that.
Long sheet में mount this sheet and with this sheet.
With the help of obturator, you will leave this sheet over. You will make a pathway.
In the teeth.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then you can freely go in, and then when you have to clean, you can come out easily. So मेरे ख्याल से तो ये रास्ता बाकी
This
है।
has to be taken out then, I think so. Hmm?
Once you insert with the
I think for
obturator,
electro resection and all we need this one, sir, with the loop. And for the one we are telling of the obturator, I'm not getting what they use of obturator, which one blunt
obturator,
end
sir,
and
is
sharp
only
end.
required for the insertion.
This is required for the insertion. market.
Insertion.
Now what will happen is that if you go from from here,
Yes.
from here, first we will insert this, okay, and through this the thyrosetosaur will go inside, okay, like this, and this also when you are coming from here, then you need a trocar. From the trocar you will make and this will go. From there you can, otherwise it can go I think like this also, directly into the
After making the opening in the teeth.
जो opening direct बनी उसमें तो ये वैसे चला जाएगा. This we have to
हाँ,
see.
हाँ,
This we have to see. I think
सर ये इसकी सेफ्टी के लिए भी तो हो सकता है कि स्ट्रेट रहे।
ये तो
Yeah,
सिर्फ-
this is to make a opening.
Opening.
हाँ,
और
other
natural
than-
opening
other-
other
natural
than-
में तो
natural में तो ऐसे चला
straight
जाएगा.
चलेगा।
It will go like this.
Because other opening में तो सर इसको इतना sharp भी नहीं आगे कि इसको sharp obturator बना देते हैं।
Hello.
बाकी resection के लिए every time you have to go
Namaste ji.
beyond the polyp, get it inside this loop, and then press the cautery pedal and then release
Khuda?
simultaneously this thumb.
Okay.
So it will come on cutting like this. See? It will come on
Tande?
cutting like this. And
There's
anything you want to
उसको
coagulate,
बनाता तो था फोन.
then touch this electrode with
उसने
that
करनी गल.
Part.
and
Where
do
we need-
coagulation. बाकी तो सर resection के लिए go beyond the polyp,
Yeah.
get it in the line of
Yeah.
loop and,
And
then
from
release.
where to
Yeah.
where?
Sir, from the foot switch
From the foot switch. This.
of the
This is
cautery.
no, no, sir.
Cautery foot switch.
Oh yes. Yes,
Cautery
yes,
foot
right,
switch.
right.
So whenever you are coming back, you are releasing this working element. Just it will come back on its own with the spring action. You just have to coordinate the foot pedal of the cautery and
While
do
it
the
is-
resection.
yeah, while it is
while coming, it will resect while coming back. Just go beyond the polyp, get it inside this area, and then come back. Just release the working element and then simultaneously press the cutting. And if you want to do any coagulation, just go with your loop to that area. Like if I want to do coagulation over it, go to that area, touch the loop end with that area and do the coagulation.
Okay, fine. We have to go beyond the polyp, for
Yeah.
example, growth,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then
Yeah,
come
like
back
this, like this.
come
Now
back,
the
and then
skin and the loop, they are like holding
which is
in between the sheath and the loop is my tissue.
Okay,
If I press the cautery pedal now, it will be cut.
it will be cut. Fine, and this is for
Sir, this is for irrigation. You have to connect irrigation with this. You can connect this glycine with this. Normally, when they do, this is just like a TURP system.
turp का है. Glycine means that is with the gravity it comes. Or
Yeah,
what?
with the gravity, you can get a very good flow. You don't have to use any pump or any pressure.
Okay.
5
So
liter,
that is
5
to-
liter bottle at a good height will do better.
And that is to clean the
Yeah, surgical field.
surgical.
Because there will be bleeding, there will be fluids all over here, and then to just clean the surgical view, you have to do irrigation.
And this will come through this channel only.
Yeah.
The water will come to this channel only.
Yeah.
And
There is no outlet, sir, over here. I think if you want to drain, then you have to retain this sheath inside the udder and then remove this thing carefully, and you can drain the excess liquid back through this. So it will come from here, drain out.
I think better than that we can completely remove this instrument also, and
Yeah.
then with teeth siphon
Yeah.
we can drain it. Safety of the instrument.
ठीक है.
अगर हम इसमें एयर जैसे CO2
Sir,
insert
here will not help you in cleaning the field.
If you